talking about identifying vectors. A reminder that a vector is a quantity that has both direction and magnitude. Magnitude, we're talking about size. We name those a little bit differently than we would with a ray or a line segment. We're still going to use the 2 points that we have as part of the vector. So we're going to use C and D, but you do have to go in a certain direction. Remember, there's an initial point. The initial point here is C. You can tell that it's C and not D because D is the end with the arrow. So since we're starting with C, we're going to call this vector CD. And almost like you would with a ray, up above you're going to have an arrow, kind of, but it's like a half arrow. So this is how you would write vector CD. It's not ray CD, or you'd have that little extra part of the arrowhead. The component form of this is how you show both the direction and the magnitude. Oops. And that's where you have these, instead of parentheses, you have these little brackets that kind of look like arrows. Kind of like a coordinate, you're going to separate them with a comma. It shows you where you're moving to the right or left, and then where you're moving up and down. Okay, so to get from CD, I could move down and over. I don't want to do that. I want to go right and left first. So I'm going to go over a certain number of units, and then I'm going to go down a certain number of units. Well, this is easy enough to just count. We moved over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 units in a positive direction. So I'm going to put that positive 7 here. We moved down 3 units. Since it's down, it's a negative value. And so down 3. This would be the component form of vector CD, 7, negative 3.